Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a short introduction of pretty much all my non-customized items that are waiting to be done. So yeah, without any further ado, let me show you what I basically have, since this will be the first video or mini short for this. So yeah, here are all of them. Yes, I have quite a lot. I separated them all into different parts. So yeah, this is all of them that I have in waiting, by the way. I might just be the one and only collector that probably has this much engines waiting to be fixed, or already fixed and waiting to be something. But yeah, gonna go by section, is that on this side from it is all the tender engines. The ones that are waiting right here are just random parts, broken pieces. Then going from this way, all my Emily's. That's practically an Edward, but I decided to separate him from the actual part because I customized it to not be. My Scottish engines, that's the only one. Duchess, pretty much naming from all of them. All the A4s, A3s, Black 5, all Edwards, Nevilles, Jameses. Then moving from here this way. So from basically from right here to here is all my Thomases. Percy's, Ducks, Stanley, Billerben, Stepney, obviously, Ladies, S100s, a Fearless Freddy, a few Diesels, Toby's, Victor's, LMS 2MTs, Mavis's, Den or Dark, I think it's Den, and then just two random ones, and Salties, and then right here, all the right here. Yeah, then all right here is just random parts. But yeah, that's basically it.